Here is the filling line, and this one is the bottle feeding table. You put the bottles here, and it will send, when it has certain quantity of bottle, it will spin and send the bottles into the conveyor. Then we got the filling, two nozzles filling, and both of them has heating for the inlet pipe and also for the filling nozzle. And filling hopper is here. This is a heater to heat the material inside the hopper, and this is the temperature probe to detect the temperature inside of the temperature of the material, and this is the mixing pedal to mix the product inside during heating. The hopper is jacketed. Inside jacket, we will fill water, hot water inside to heat your product. I will show you. Open the cover from here. We have a screw here. If you want to open the hopper, firstly you need to loose the screw. One more. See, we have a mixer inside, and you can see the hopper is thick, right? Because it's jacketed inside. We will fill hot water, and the water comes from this pipe. Here is the heating water tank. When you are using the machine, when you're doing the filling and when you need to heat your product, fill water inside this tank and turn on the pump on, and also the heater, the pump that is using to pump water into the hopper through this pipe, and the heater to heat the material. I will show you how to open the pump on the screen. This is the auto screen. So when it's green, means this function is on. And for the hopper, you need to turn on water pump, and also then the heating and the stir. These three functions where you need to use heating system. So the turning on the water pump, then it will pump the hot water into the tank, into the jacket of the hopper. And turning the heater, you will heat. This is the heater, heat the water inside. And turning on the stirring pedal will turn on the mixing motor. And add liquid is automatic material feeding for the hopper. I will show you later. And lift enable, which is the lifting system of the filling nozzle. When it's doing the filling, it will go down a little to fill the product. If you refer to the working video I showed you before. So when you need to use all these functions, then turn them all green like this, and then turn the automatic start. Then you will start to work with all these functions. But when you don't need to use heating, just simple filling, just filling for some product that doesn't need heating, you could turn off these functions and turn on only conveyor filling and liquid, and this one, and then turn auto start, automatic start. And filling total reset is the quantity, filling amount. Reset the filling amount. And the output screen shows the signal of each function. Parameter screen. Bottle feeding delay is to control this sensor. When this sensor sends the bottle it was 1 second. When the sensor sense the bottle, it will start to work after 0.5 seconds. And lift down delay is that when after the machine, the bottles is underneath the nozzle, and it will start to do the lift down after 0.3 seconds. And when filling is finished, it will go up after 0.3 seconds. All this is adjustable, and you can adjust it according to your product material and the material viscosity, and also the bottle size. Filling volume. And for different viscosity of product, the filling volume could be different. For example, the same bottle, they are both 30 milliliter, but their viscosity is different. So, and the filling volume that you need to set on the screen could be different. And filling fast speed, filling slow volume, I will show you. So the filling machine, the filling system is controlled by that servo motor. And if we need to fill 25 milliliter in total, it will fill twice. Like, for example, we will have this filling fast speed, filling slow volume 10 milliliter. So the first 15 millimeter it will fill with fast speed, and then the next 10 milliliter it will fill with slow speed. The reason that we have this function is to fill some easy foaming products. When filling easy foaming product, you need to fill it slower when the bottle is almost full. This way we can avoid the foaming. And filling return speed is after filling is done, the servo motor will return to its original position. And filling tiny adjust 1, 2 is 1 for this nozzle, 2 for this nozzle. When the filling, for example, if you set 25 milliliter, but the two nozzles comes out with a little different. For example, first nozzle comes out with 25 milliliter, and that's fine. But second nozzle comes out with 26 or 27. In this case, you can adjust the filling volume of the nozzle alone here. Then we can set like minus 2 millimeters, something like that, like this. Then press this one. And after you set the parameter here, you can save it, and you can input the numbers of this recipe. For example, it could be 1 or 2 or something like that. And when you need to use it again, press call parameters. Next, see, call parameter 2, call parameter 3, something like that. Then press call parameters. Then all the parameters will be set on the screen. And menu screen. Menu screen is controlled each function separately. For example, the conveyor. See, if I press conveyor, it starts to work. If I press lift, it's lifting. Block bottle, the first one, second one, and filling 1, 2 is to turn on the filling function manually. All filling is to turn on both nozzles at the same time. Add liquid is hopper material feeding, hopper feeding. I will explain to you later. And servo reset is when the machine has errors. After you reset the machine, you need to reset the servo motor by here. And wash is the automatic washing. Automatic washing means that you could fill up the hopper with clean water, and then it will continuously pumping water out from the nozzle. This way is like to flush the machine inside with water. Heating stir heat lid is for this one, can't press it. And water pump is to pump the water inside this water tank for heating system. When you receive the machine, you also need to adjust the height of filling nozzle according to your bottle height, and for different diameter of bottle, you need to adjust the position of this two-piece cylinder. By losing these two screws, you can move it left or right for bigger or smaller bottles. And this one is easy. You just need to adjust, when it's working automatically, just set the heat lead time for it. Here comes the auto screen, and remember to turn on the heat lead, otherwise it won't work when you're using auto mode. And for different size, different height of bottles, adjust this one. Screw it to adjust it taller or shorter. And when the diameter of cap is too much different, and if this one doesn't work, we can send you new heating head according to the size of your bottle. And here it comes with the bottle collecting table. And for material feeding of the hopper, we have an inlet here. You could connect your for example, if you have a storage tank or a mixing tank that has your product inside, you could connect one side to the discharge outlet of your tank, another side to here. One side to the feeding pump. The feeding pump we will offer you, and we will probably install here. And the one side to the to your tank, another side to the pump, and the pump will be connected to here. And this level sensor, when it sense that when you will detect the liquid level inside, when the hopper is running out of material, the liquid level will go down, right? When it goes down to a certain liquid level, it will automatically activate the pump to transfer product from your storage tank into this hopper. But when you don't want to use automatic feeding, for example, if your product, if this time you only need to fill very few quantity of product and you don't want to use a hopper, you could turn off the automatic feeding and then open this cover to feed or pour your product into the hopper manually. And that's all for the machine. It's ready for shipping anytime.